So we are going to discuss a question here. The question is like this. It's in quotation. Children do not respect their parents as much as they did in the past. This behavior is now having a negative impact on society. Discuss. So this is the question. So we do have a situation there and we need to discuss the particular thing. So the important points what we have to discuss is highlighted there: children, respect, and as much as. So if we evaluate this thing, we can say we have to evaluate what was there in the past and what is there at present. So I got my points from my beloved students that if we don't respect our parents at home, how can we respect others and in the society? So it is a negative development. Definitely. I agree to that. Next thing, in the past, children had a gap, a distant relationship with their parents because of this type of respect, over respect. But right now, children are communicating better with their parents. They don't have the barrier of respect. So many of their problems are easily solved. So this is a positive side. So I can say it is both positive and negative. So this is a situation, this is an evaluation. So evaluating the past, what was in the past and what is at present, in the positive way and in the negative way. So this is what my question is. So in our format, you are going to write the introduction. After the introduction, in the introduction, you are going to write, address the topic, and you are going to say your thesis. What's your thesis here? Your thesis here has both positive and negative. So this is your introduction. And paragraph number 1, you are going to write the positive side. So how you are presenting the positive side? First, you are going to write the past. What was there in the past? Then you have to say what it is now. Then you have to say, after comparison, you have to say what you see. Okay, so what was there in the past, what is there at present, and what you derive from the change. That is the conclusion. So we present these 3 things in paragraph number 1. In paragraph number 2, you're going to write the negatives. So again, we go with the past. What was there in the past? Now then you have to write at present. What changes happened? Then we go with conclusion. So what you get from this thing? So in the past, what was there? Right now, what is there? And how it became negative. In the previous paragraph, in the past, what was there? At present, what is there? And how it became positive. And we do have the conclusion. Without stating your personal opinion, you conclude. Okay. So this is the format. So in the introduction, I can write a maximum of 2 sentences. In paragraph number 1, I can write around 5 sentences. It's an average calculation, okay? In paragraph 2, again, I can write around 5 sentences. And in conclusion, I can write 2 sentences the maximum. So I have written around 14 sentences in total average. So in these 14 sentences, I can write around 250 words. So my format is there, sentence count is there. On an average, you'll be writing 15 to 20 words per sentence. So if you calculate, so it will be more than enough for your word count. So that's it. So we have got the introduction, what we'll be writing in the introduction, what we'll be writing in the paragraph number 1, what we'll be writing in the paragraph number 2, and the conclusion, what we'll be writing. So this is what the explanation is. At no point you are not asked to give your opinion. It is just a discussion question. You just discuss the question and retire. Okay, so that's it.